In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Helium Browser and also how to add your own custom search engine. First, open Helium Browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. On the left side, click Search Engine. Right now, the default search engine is DuckDuckGo, but you can easily change it. Click Change and you'll see several options including Google, Ecosia, Quant, Kagi, and Bing. Just select the one you want and that's it. Your default search engine is now changed. But what if your favorite search engine isn't listed here? Go to Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Under the Search Engine section, click Add. Here you can manually add any search engine you want. For example, let's add Brave Search. You'll need to fill in a few fields. For the search engine name, type Brave. For the shortcut, you can type something simple like brave.com. Now for the important part, URL with %s in place of query. This is basically the search URL where %s gets replaced with whatever you search for. So if you search for cats, the browser automatically inserts your query in place of %s. There's a simple trick to find the correct value for almost any search engine. Just go to the search engine in your browser, search for anything like test, then copy the URL from the address bar and replace the word test with %s. In most cases, it will look something like search $Q equals %s, or a similar format depending on the service. For Brave Search, for example, it becomes https://search.brave.com /search $Q equals %s. There's also a field called Suggestions URL with %s in place of query. This is optional and it's used for autocomplete search suggestions while typing. You can leave it empty, or for Brave Search you can use https://search.brave.com /API /suggest $Q equals %s, then click Add as default. And that's how you change or add search engines in Helium Browser.